In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a large video file in Gmail on either a laptop or desktop computer. This can be a common hurdle, but the good news is that with a few simple steps, you can effortlessly share large video files with your friends, family, or coworkers without any hassle. To begin, start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your Gmail account. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and enter your email and password to access your inbox. Once you're in, locate the Compose button. It's typically a colorful button found on the left-hand side of the screen. Click it to open a new message window. Now, you might be tempted to drag and drop your large video right into this new email. However, Gmail has a size limit for attachments, which is 25 megabytes. Don't worry, there's a workaround using Google Drive. Just below the subject line of your new message, look for a small Google Drive icon. Click this icon to open a window that allows you to insert files using Google Drive. After clicking the Google Drive icon, a window will pop up showing your Google Drive content. If your video isn't uploaded to Google Drive yet, click on the Upload tab. This part is quite straightforward. Just drag your video file into this area or click the Select Files from your device button. Browse and select your video on your computer and then hit Upload. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this might take a little while, so be patient. Once your video has successfully uploaded, select it from your Google Drive and click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. It'll now appear as a link within your email. This clever method bypasses the attachment size limit by allowing your recipient to view or download the file directly from Google Drive. Before you hit send, consider checking that all your email components are ready and any additional text or recipients are correctly added. A helpful tip: remind your recipients within your email text to check their Google Drive folder if they encounter issues with the link. Now, you're ready to send. Click the Send button, which is often marked by a paper plane icon. And there you have it. Your video file is on its way without any size limitations to worry about. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the recipient must have a Google account to access Google Drive links. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Gmail's file sending capabilities more effectively. With this step-by-step guide, sharing large files should be a simple and stress-free process. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.